Click on the link below to get price. The Oppo Find X5 Pro 5G is an impressive flagship smartphone that showcases a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. With a dual 256GB ROM and 12GB RAM configuration, this device is engineered to handle multitasking with ease, making it ideal for power users who demand performance without compromise. One of the standout features of the Find X5 Pro is its stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels. The screen provides vibrant colors and exceptional clarity, making it perfect for streaming high-definition content or playing graphically intensive games. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, enhancing the overall user experience. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced camera system, which includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultrawide lens, and a 13MP telephoto camera. The capabilities of the camera are remarkable, producing sharp, detailed images even in low-light conditions. The AI enhancements provide additional features like night mode and portrait effects, ensuring your photos are always Instagram-ready. Performance-wise, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which delivers lightning-fast speeds and efficient power management. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using resource-intensive applications, the Find X5 Pro handles everything seamlessly. Coupled with its 5000 mAh battery, which supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, you can expect all-day usage without the anxiety of running out of power. The design of the Oppo Find X5 Pro is equally noteworthy. Its premium ceramic back and sleek aluminum frame give it a luxurious feel, while the matte finish reduces fingerprints. Additionally, the device is IP68 rated, providing protection against dust and water, making it more durable for everyday use. In summary, the Oppo Find X5 Pro 5G dual 256GB ROM 12GB RAM is a powerhouse of a smartphone that excels in performance, photography, and design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a premium device that doesn't